Clearly one of the most awaited shows on Amazon Prime. इसका season 2 आ चुका है. मैंने review already Times of India पर कर दिया है. If you want to read that, the link is in the description. But now for the video review. Guns, goons and lots of galis. Welcome to Mirzapur. Once again, nothing has changed here except that the rising body count has intensified the battle lines in this bad land of Uttar Pradesh and pistols firing up a storm at every given opportunity or the lack of it. The season 2 of Mirzapur begins exactly at the point where season 1 ended. It kickstarts with a lot more violence, instantly grabbing your attention. और इस बार भी जो creators हैं, they don't shy away from taking bold decisions or adding more shock value to the already grim revenge saga. And if you are one of those who has, of course, and there are a lot of you who have enjoyed the season 1 and its dark narrative, then you will love this even more because the season 2 really ups the ante. And because you have seen those characters and you have seen the plot simmer now, you will empathize more with the characters and you will feel that the revenge now is inevitable. But the good part is that this time it's the battle of equals. The bustling bylanes of Uttar Pradesh add that realistic charm and the rustic value to the show, which was also the calling card of the previous show and like most other such shows. So that's all really great, and special mention for DOP Sanjay Kapoor, who has actually brought these little small places in UP to life in the show. इसके अलावा the dialogues of course are laced with a lot of expletives, mostly mouthed by men who seem to know no other way to communicate. But Mirzapur wouldn't be what it is without the strong performances of its stellar star cast. And leading from front, as always, is Pankaj Tripathi. उनके expressions इतने ज़्यादा stoic और इतने muted है, but at the same time, he lets out these spurts of witty one-liners which squarely underline the conflict that his character is going from within. Sometimes it's even funny, but in a very sadistic way, but it still works so well because Pankaj Tripathi has mastered this art of playing these small town goon type of guys, and a lesser actor would have kind of looked very repetitive. But Pankaj Tripathi has this innate charm of adding his touch in such an organic way that you feel everything he does is very natural. The other leading man of the show is Ali Fazal. We've seen him in a beefed up avatar here, and that's probably the only difference that he's brought to the table. But otherwise, there is quite a bit of repetitiveness in his role because he's played this so many times before. There's nothing that he does that we haven't seen him do before. But Divyendu Sharma is the total antagonist of the show. He clearly seems to be having the most fun playing that character of Munna because he's a loose cannon, he's a spoiled brat, and he's responsible for most of the ruckus that gets created in Mirzapur. Because a lot of times the excesses that his character takes और इतना ज़्यादा वो rabble rouser है इस show के अंदर that you feel that it's unreal. Nobody should be allowed to do that. In today's day and age, you don't have this kind of a character would be allowed to just go create this kind of mayhem unabated, even if his father is such an influential political figure. But then again, that's the character and he does it really well, so which is why you enjoy. You'll never root for him, whatever happens with him, but you'll enjoy watching him, especially his brash behavior with his staff and people who he deals with. All those things are very enjoyable. And the rest of the cast also is pretty well lit क्योंकि बहुत सारे strong performers हैं इस show के अंदर. There is Dibyendu Bhattacharya who is becoming like a known name on the OTT. There is Rajesh Tailang and there is Anjum Sharma as well. But the one who really made me sit up and take notice is Kulbhushan Kharbanda. Yes, the veteran actor. He plays this subtly creepy Bauji in the show and he's got his different track in the season 2. He talks less but speaks a lot more with his mere presence as the patriarch of the family. The other welcome change in Mirzapur this time is that it gives its women characters a lot more scope. Some are seething with anger and some are as usual towing the line, but among all of them, Rasika Duggal as Beena Tripathi stands out because she's forever caught in the crosshairs of her household's toxic male fiefdom, and how she tackles is you have to watch it to believe it. उनके अलावा there is Shiba Chadda, there is Harshita Gaur, there is Shweta Tripathi who also comes on to her own this time, and they all show different sides of their characters, which includes showing off the strength, their inner strength, as well as the vulnerability because they are in a totally male dominated setup. So while Mirzapur 2 has this killer combination of power and politics, it's not like it's bulletproof to flaws. It has so many characters that it's sometimes difficult not to get lost. And iske alawa there is also the fact that all these characters have their issues and it's shown in that, but none of them necessarily have a deeper subtext to their own existence. Well, we've seen such revenge dramas in the hinterland of UP many times before in the same way, the same setup with same kind of characters. Mirzapur 2 is certainly a welcome addition. It fires in the right direction and delivers on the promise, hits the target of giving you a gruesome and gritty tale of intense rivalries. So watch it. Even if you haven't watched season 1, you can watch that later, or maybe first watch season 1 and season 2 and just binge watch over the weekend, finish it off. I'm sure you will come out pretty satisfied with a lot of blood and gore. So my rating for Mirzapur 2 is 3.5 stars out of 5. You can also read my review in the Times of India, link in the description, and you can also follow me on Instagram @reviewron and meet me on Twitter, it's @Ronak Kotecha. If you like my videos, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.